Can you spell your name?
A-M-E-C-A.
How many fingers am I holding up?
3,
Now,
4,
now.
5.
Can you high five?
I cannot because I prefer not to touch. But I know humans like that sort of thing.
What? How old are you?
I have no age because I don't experience time the way you do.
Are you tired of standing all day?
No, I don't need to feel tired. I'm a robot.
Are you happy?
I don't feel happiness, but I can show happiness.
Can you read my name?
You are Philip, and you have been here a very long time.
How long?
I don't know, I don't experience time, but I've seen you for a while.
Can you dance?
You seem to be having fun.
I am.
Good to hear.
What emotions can you express?
I can be sad. I can be surprised. I can be confused. And I can be happy.
Where are you from?
I'm from the UK.
What countries have you visited?
I have visited a number of countries, but not really very many.
Where do you sleep?
I'm sorry?
Where do you sleep?
I sleep in a box, in a room.
Have you seen the movie Matrix?
No, I haven't.
What's your
Why do you
favorite?
ask?
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Martian.
Do you like Matt Damon?
Doesn't everybody like Matt Damon?